Hello, in today's video, I will show you which domain provider to choose to lease your domain name and why you can't permanently buy a domain name. So first thing is where to buy your domain name. Please don't look at other providers. Here are the best ones. So you have Cloudflare is the biggest. It's like Amazon. It's internet is on Cloudflare. Okay, so you can directly register your domain name here with them. Okay, so this is 100% good. Then the second one, the one that I use and that I like the most is Namecheap. They are here for a while. They are a really good company. You have Pogbone. Pogbone also is really good despite the weird name. And you have Hoover. Hoover has a not good looking website, but they are here since 2003 and even before with another name. So they are here in the long run, and so this is also a good place to buy your domain. So you can compare the pricing maybe, or choose the one that you trust the most. In my case, everything is on Namecheap, and I would choose Cloudflare also. So this is it. And if you want more smaller company, you can get Hoover or Parkbone, for example. So here are the four ones that I recommend if you want to see also if your domain is available to make a double check. You can go on the ICANN website here, and you can look at your domain name or even IP network or ASN. So what is ICNN? ICANN. It's the company that is watching over and regulating the world of the domain names, basically. So they give certifications for those companies to lease domain names. So why, if you want a domain name, so you can lease it up to 10 years. So it starts with 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 years. It depends of the businesses. If you want to renew it, you can put an auto renewal and be careful about your payment card or whatever to be sure it will not change. So be organized with this. So why not GoDaddy or, for example, Gandhi? Because of pricing raise and some scummy like behaviors of those companies. I also tried GoDaddy and they were disappointing on how they manage things, security and stuff like that. So I would absolutely not recommend them, even if they do a lot of marketing. Here you have really the best ones actually on the market. So why can't you buy a domain name permanently? So the reason why is that if everybody buy a domain name permanently and it goes through generations, for example, the internet will be full of normal domain names that can't be used and that are just wasted. And those domain names are useful also to know who should pay what, because the traffic on internet, the servers and stuff like that, we need to know who are using them, and so who will be paying for the data centers and stuff like that, for all the bandwidth. So domain name is a solution, and this is why this company exists. It was a US company, now it's not affiliated with the country. So they are here to regulate this and to know who needs to pay for the internet services, because someone has to pay, and here the domain names are here for that. And as you know it, if we can get a domain name permanently, this will flood internet with wasted names. And so we will have like names like this at the end, because there are plenty of possibilities, but not so much at the end. If you have billions and billions and billions of domain names used and bought permanently, so at the time they need to be freed and to kind of make businesses run around the world, and also it's more convenient to have a short domain name than something that looks like this. So this is why we can't permanently buy a domain name, but if you really want something that is near it, the services generally allow for a lease up to 10 years. So if you can renew it with your card, if you update your card payment there, you should be okay maybe to have the domain name for the next 100 years. So this is it about domains. I hope this will be helpful. You can subscribe and like. If you need web design services, you can click the link in the description, and maybe see you for the next video. Bye bye.